morning students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Today we will see the chapter number 4 geometry, criteria of similarity. AA criterion of similarity: if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar because the third angle in both triangle must be equal. Therefore, angle similarity is same as the AAA similarity criterion, angle similarity criterion. So if angle A equal to angle P equal to 1 and angle B equal to angle Q equal to 2, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. SAS criterion on similarity means that is S side angle side. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, and if the side including them the proportional, then two triangles are similar. If A equal to P equal to 1 and AB divided by PQ equal to AC by PR, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. See the diagram, example 4 point, figure 4.6 and 4.7. 4.6 that is angle criterion, 4.7 that is side angle side criterion of similarity. Next one, SSS criterion of similarity. SSS means side. If three sides of a triangle are proportional to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Two proportional three sides of three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. If so, AB divided by PQ, that is proportional to corresponding side, that equal to AC by PR equal to BC divided by QR. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is SSS side criterion of similarity. First one, angle criterion means that is angles are equal. Second one, side angle side criterion. Third one, side criterion. Can you understand? Some other result. Therefore, the fourth one is the ratio of the area of two similar triangle are equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. Area, find the area means area of two similar triangle, that equal to area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, that equal to square of their corresponding side. And you take square AB divided by PQ, that is taking square means AB square divided by PQ square. Then second side BC square divided by QR square. And third one is AC square divided by PR square. So the ratio of the area of two similar triangle, that equal to taking square on the corresponding side. Fifth one is if two triangle have common vertex and their base are on the same straight line, the ratio between their area is equal to the ratio between the length of their bases. Area of the triangle ABD divided by area of triangle BDC equal to AD divided by DC. If two triangles have common vertex and their bases are on the same line, straight line, the ratio between their area equal to the ratio between their bases. Here, area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle BDC equal to AD divided by DC. Same vertex, same base means that is straight line. Same length their bases are equal. Okay. Example 4.1. So that triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. We have two questions. See the diagram. Figure number 4.15 and 4.16, that is second question. Solution: first we see the diagram 4.15. Triangle PST and triangle PQR. First we take two triangle PST and PQR. The sides are PS and PQ corresponding side. Therefore, PS divided by PQ equal to, what is PS value? That is 2. PQ value 2 plus 1, that equal to 2 by 3. PS by PQ equal to 2 by 3. Now take second triangle PQR. That is, we have two corresponding side. One PT divided by PR. What is PT value? Yes, that is 4 divided by PR means that is PT plus TR. Therefore 4 plus 2, that equal to 6. Therefore 4 by 6, that equal to, we cancel the value, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, that is equal to 2 by 3. Thus PS divided by PQ equal to PT divided by PR, and P is a common angle. Therefore by SAS similarity, triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. Second one, see the diagram figure 4.16. In triangle PST and triangle PQR, we take the corresponding side PS, first triangle PST, that equal to PS, second corresponding side PQ. Therefore what is PS value? 2. PQ value is 2 plus 3, that equal to 2 by 5. And second triangle PT, corresponding side PT divided by PR, that equal to, what is PT value? 2. PR value is PT plus TR, that equal 2 plus 3, that equal to 5. Therefore 2 by PT divided by PR equal to 2 by 5. Therefore PS by PQ value is 2 by 5 and PT by PR value is 2 by 5, that equal to PS by PQ equal to PT by PR, and angle P is a common angle. Therefore by side similarity, triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved. Can you understand? Example 4.2 is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. See the figure 4.17. ABC is triangle, AB value 6 and 6, BC is 10. Triangle PQR, PQ is 3, QR is 4. Solution: we take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. The corresponding side AB and PQ, therefore PQ divided by AB. What is PQ value? Yes, that is 3. AB value is 6. So cancel 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So therefore PQ divided by AB equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Next, second corresponding side BC and QR. Therefore QR divided by BC, that equal to, what is QR answer? Yes, 4. BC value is 10. That is 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So QR divided by BC value equal to 2 by 5. Therefore PQ divided by AB equal to 1 by 2 and QR divided by BC equal to 2 by 5. Therefore 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 5. Since 1 by 2 not equal to 2 by 5, therefore PQ divided by AB is not equal to QR divided by BC. The corresponding sides are not proportional. Therefore triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. Can you understand? The corresponding sides are proportional, that is similar triangle. Here the corresponding sides are not proportional. Therefore triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Next, example 4.3. Observe figure 4.18 and find angle P. See the figure 4.18 diagram 1. Triangle ABC, AB value is 3 cm, BC value is 6 cm, AC value is 3 root 3 cm. Angle B equal to 60 degree. Next triangle PQR, that is PQ value is 12 cm, QR value is 6 cm, PR value is 6 root 3 cm. Okay. Solution: in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, first we corresponding side AB and RQ. So what is AB value is 3 cm, RQ value is 6 cm. Therefore 3 by 6, that equal to 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 by 2. AB divided by RQ equal to, what is answer is 1 by 2. And then second corresponding side is BC divided by QP or PQ. What is BC value? 6 and QP is 12. Therefore 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. That's also 1 by 2. BC divided by QP equal to 1 by 2. And third corresponding sides are CA, AC divided by RP. AC value is 3 root 3 and RP value is 6 root 3. Root 3 is cancel. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. That is also 1 by 2. Therefore, AB divided by RQ, that equal to BC divided by QP, that equal to CA divided by PR equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, corresponding sides are equal. By side, 3 sides are 1 by 2 means, that is side similarity. We have triangle BAC is similar to triangle QRP. Okay. Next, angle P equal to angle C, since the corresponding part of similar triangle. Angle P equal to, that is angle C. Next, angle P equal to angle C equal to 180 degree minus angle A plus angle B. That is sum of interior angles of the triangle, that equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. That means angle C equal to 180 minus angle A minus angle B. Therefore 180 degree minus angle A value is right angle triangle, that is 90 degree, plus angle B value is 60 degree, that is given. Therefore angle P equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 60. What is answer? 90 plus 60 equal to 150. Therefore 180 minus 150, that equal to, what is answer? 30 degree. Therefore angle P equal to 30 degree. Can you understand? Very simple. First we find the side similarity, and then sum of interior angle of the triangle is 180 degree. That is angle B is given, angle A is 90 degree. Then find angle C. Therefore C equal to 180 minus angle A minus angle B, that equal to angle P equal to 30 degree. Okay, can you understand? Next, example 4.4. A boy of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamppost at the speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamppost is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of his shadow cast after 4 seconds. The question is, a boy of height 90 centimeter, that is boy height is DC, CD is 90 centimeter, walking away from the base of lamppost. Walking away means, that is return to the lamppost. Walking away from the lamppost at the speed is 1.2 per second, that is meter per second. If the lamppost height is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of his shadow cast after 4 seconds. Given, see the diagram. 3.6 AB is the height of the lamppost, CD be the height of the boy, E be the point. Given speed equal to 1.2 meter per second, time equal to 4 seconds. Find the distance. Therefore distance equal to speed into time. 1.2 into 4, that equal to 4.8 meter. 4.8 meter, that is a BD value. Answer is BD distance is 4.8 meter BD distance. Let x be the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. We find the length of shadow, that is DE. DE equal to x. Since we have two triangle, one ABE and then CDE. ABE is a biggest triangle, smallest triangle CDE. That is BE divided by DE corresponding similar to means triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Therefore, BE divided by DE equal to AB by CD. What is BE value? X plus 4.8. BD value is 4.8. Therefore, X plus 4.8 divided by DE is X. That equal to AB by CD. AB value is 3.6. CD equal to 90 centimeter. So, we convert to the centimeter to meter, that is by 10, that equal to 90 centimeter equal to 0.9 meter. Now simplify that. 0.9 into 4.8x 8 plus x, that equal to 3.0x, that equal to cancel 3.6 into 0.9, that equal to 1 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36. So therefore 4.8 plus x equal to 4. The divided by x, we cross multiplying, that equal to 4x. Interchange the value. 4x minus x, what is answer? Yes, 3x, that equal to 4.8. Therefore x equal to 4.8 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. Therefore x equal to 1.6 meter. The x means that is DE. Therefore the length of his shadow DE equal to 1.6 meter. Can you understand? Very simple. First we draw a diagram and then split to two similar triangle ABE and CDE, and then corresponding side BE divided by DE and AB divided by CD are equal. That equal to we get x value is 1.6 meter. The x is a length of shadow. Length of his shadow DE equal to 1.6 meter. Example 4.5. In figure 4.20, angle A equal to angle CED. Prove that triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED. Triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED. Also find the value of x. Solution. In triangle CAB and triangle CED, what is the common angle? C is a common angle, and also given that angle A equal to angle CED, angle A equal to E. Therefore, triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED by angle similarity. That means the corresponding sides are equal. What are the corresponding sides? CA divided by CE equal to AB divided by DE equal to CB divided by CD. Okay, that is a triangle, similar triangle CAB and CED corresponding sides CA divided by CE equal to AB divided by DE equal to CB divided by CD. Therefore, we substitute the value of AB divided by DE equal to CB divided by CD, gives AB value is 9, DE value is x, that equal to CB value is 2 plus 10 divided by CD value is 8, that equal to x cross multiplying 9 into 8 divided by 10 plus 2, that equal to 12. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, 2 into 3, that equal to 6 centimeter. What is the value of x value? That equal to 6 centimeter. Can you understand? Okay. Next example 4.6. In figure 4.21, QA and PB are perpendicular to AB. See the diagram. If AO equal to 10 centimeter, BO equal to 6 centimeter and PB equal to 9 centimeter, then find AQ value. So see the diagram, QA and PB are perpendicular to AB. Since the solution in triangle AOQ, first we take triangle AOQ and triangle BOP, that is AO angle OAQ equal to angle OBP equal to 90 degree. Angle A and B equal to 90 degree. A and B equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this is the vertically opposite angles. This model is vertical opposite angle. Therefore, angle AOQ equal to angle BOP. Therefore, by angle criterion, triangle AOQ is similar to triangle BOP. You understand? That is, this diagram is vertically opposite angles diagram. Therefore, angle criteria means triangle AOQ is similar to triangle BOP. Therefore, similar triangle means, so corresponding sides are proportional to each other. Therefore, AO by BO, that equal to OQ divided by OP, that equal to AQ divided by BP. You draw separate triangle AOQ and BOP, and then we write the corresponding sides. Next, substitute AO value is 10, BO value is 6, that equal to AQ divided by BP value. What is BP value is 9. Simplify the value. AQ equal to, so 10 into 9 divided by 6. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 into 3, that equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, side AQ equal to 15 centimeter. Can you understand? Okay. Next example 4.7. The perimeter of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are respectively 36 centimeter and 24 centimeter. If PQ equal to 10 centimeter, find AB. Two perimeters are of two similar triangle ABC and PQR are 36 and 24 centimeter. PQ equal to 10 centimeter, that is a given value. See the diagram. That is ABC one triangle, another triangle is PQR. So find the side of AB. Given corresponding side PQ equal to 10 centimeter. Solution. The ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangle is same as the ratio of their perimeter. This is the condition. The ratio of the corresponding side of similar triangle is the same of the ratio of their perimeter. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is since, therefore corresponding sides are equal. AB divided by PQ equal to BC divided by QR and AC divided by PR, that equal to, that is a perimeter value is 36 divided by 24, because that is a given condition. The ratio of the corresponding side of similar triangle is same as the ratio of the perimeter. Corresponding side ratio and perimeter ratio are equal, same. Therefore, AB divided by PQ, that equal to 36 divided by 24. Now substitute PQ value is, what is PQ value? Yes, that is 10. Therefore, AB divided by 10, that equal to 36 divided by 24. Now find the AB value, that equal to 36 into 10 divided by 24. So 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36. Okay. 12, we cancel 12 table. 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36. Next, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. 5 into 3, that is, we get answer is 15 centimeter. Therefore, the side AB equal to 15 centimeter. Can you understand? That is a formula. Perimeter, that means ratio of the corresponding side of similar triangle is same as the ratio of the perimeter. Okay. Example 4.8. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that BC equal to 3 centimeter, EF equal to 4 centimeter, and the area of triangle ABC equal to 54 centimeter square, find the area of triangle DEF. So given that area of triangle ABC is given, find the area of triangle DEF. Solution: since the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of any two corresponding side. Ratio perimeter means that is same ratio, area means that is square of the corresponding sides. We have area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF, that equal to corresponding sides BC divided by EF, BC square divided by EF square. Substitute area of triangle ABC value is 54 centimeter square divided by, we find area of triangle DEF, that equal to BC value is 3 square into divided by EF value is 4, therefore 4 square. We find the value of area of triangle DEF, that equal to, what is 3 square? Yes, 9. 4 square is 16. Cross multiplying 54 into 16 divided by 9. So cancel the value. 1 9s are 9, 6 9s are 54, 6 into 16, that equal to 96 centimeter square. Area of triangle DEF equal to 96 centimeter square.